PowerPoint is a great way to share content with an audience, but what if you're not in the room with them? How can they enjoy your narration? Fortunately, it's easy. You can narrate a PowerPoint for sharing anytime. Now it's time to learn how to narrate a PowerPoint presentation. First up, you'll want to ensure you have your microphone set up. The best bet is an external mic that plugs into your computer. But remember, the best microphone is the one you have. You can always use your computer's built-in mic, and I even like to use my Apple AirPods to record on the fly. Next, you'll want to go to the first slide in the deck. This is the opening slide in your presentation. Come up here to PowerPoint's ribbon and find the Slideshow tab. Click on it and you'll see an array of options appear down below. The one you'll want is Record, and I'll go ahead and click this. Now, PowerPoint will open the recording menu. Keep in mind, the recording won't start automatically, so you can familiarize yourself with the controls here. Down at the bottom, you'll see your actual slides previewed in miniature. This tells you, at a glance, where you are in your recording. At the top, this menu bar is your control center. To begin recording audio, click on this red record button here in the middle. A 3-second countdown starts. When it's finished, you're live. Start narrating, and navigate through your slides using your arrow keys on your keyboard. The right arrow will advance to your next slide. The counter here starts running, and it's really a great way to keep track of time. As you move through your slides, keep an eye on it. And don't forget, you can annotate slides as you present. Those options live down here on the menu bar below the slide preview. For example, I can click on this pen and make some circles on the slide to call attention to key details. Finished? Simply click on the red record button once again. Your recording stops and it's ready to share. You can send your slide deck to others, or you can click this export button. This generates a video recording that you can share with others. In video format, they won't need to have PowerPoint installed to view and enjoy your presentation. Let's consider one other option. What if you only want to add audio to a certain slide without narrating your entire presentation? Easy. Let's start by finding a slide where we want to add some audio. Once there, come up to the PowerPoint ribbon again, and this time click Insert. You'll see the tab open, and over here on the right, you've got this audio drop-down button. Click it and there are two options, Audio on my PC and Record Audio. For this, let's use Record Audio. When you click Record Audio, you'll see this Record Sound menu appear. Once again, this red record button will start and stop the audio recording. Click it here, record your audio, and click it again. Finally, choose OK to end the recording and add the narration to your slide. That's it. As you can see, it's amazingly easy to record narration in a PowerPoint presentation. Use PowerPoint's record features to capture audio. Find the Slideshow tab, click Record, and start narrating. Don't forget to add annotations and more as you get ready to share. Before you go, don't forget to like this video.